Hey there, fellow dreamers! Are you ready to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of real estate investing? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investing. It's a realm filled with opportunities and potential for financial growth. Specifically, we're talking about two different ways to make your money work for you. Active and passive income. Both have unique strategies and benefits. Active income is all about rolling up your sleeves and getting involved. This means being hands-on with your investments. Think flipping houses or managing rental properties. It requires time, effort, and a keen eye for detail. You're actively working to generate that income. This can be rewarding but also demanding. Passive income, on the other hand, is about creating a system that brings in money with less day-to-day effort. It's more about strategy and planning. Imagine owning a rental property where a property manager handles everything. You can focus on other ventures or simply enjoy your free time. You earn money while you sleep. It's a dream scenario for many investors. Both approaches have pros and cons, and the best fit for you depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and how much time you want to invest. Let's explore these options in more detail and find out which path suits you best. Active real estate income is perfect for those who love a challenge and enjoy being hands-on. It's not just about buying and selling properties, it's about transforming spaces and creating value where there was none before. You're calling the shots, making decisions, and seeing the fruits of your labor firsthand. Every choice you make, from selecting the right property to deciding on the best renovations, directly impacts your success. One of the biggest perks? Potentially high returns. The satisfaction of seeing a project through from start to finish and reaping the financial rewards is unparalleled. You can buy a property below market value, fix it up, and sell it for a profit. This process, known as flipping, can be highly lucrative if done correctly. Or you can manage rental properties, setting your own rates and building equity over time. This approach provides a steady stream of income and long-term financial growth. Active income also gives you more control. Unlike passive investments, you have a direct hand in every aspect of your business. You choose your properties, tenants, and strategies. This level of involvement allows you to tailor your investments to your personal goals and preferences. You're directly involved in every step, making it exciting and rewarding. The hands-on nature of active real estate investing means you're never just a bystander. But remember, active income requires dedication and hard work. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those willing to put in the effort. The rewards can be substantial. You'll need to research properties, manage finances, and handle any issues that arise. This includes everything from maintenance problems to tenant disputes. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be incredibly fulfilling. The sense of accomplishment from overcoming challenges and achieving your goals is a reward in itself. While active real estate income can be lucrative, it's important to be aware of the challenges. This type of investment often requires significant upfront capital. You'll need cash for down payments, renovations, and ongoing expenses. Market fluctuations can also impact your profits. Real estate is cyclical, and downturns can affect property values and rental rates. Active income can also be time-consuming. Managing properties, finding tenants, and handling repairs all take time and effort. Be prepared to dedicate significant hours, especially in the beginning. Finally, there's always a learning curve. Real estate involves legal contracts, market analysis, and property management. It's essential to educate yourself or seek guidance from experienced professionals. Now, let's talk about passive real estate income, the dream of earning money while you sleep. This approach is all about building long-term wealth with less day-to-day involvement. One popular method is investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These companies own and manage income-producing properties, and you can buy shares in them just like stocks. Another option is crowdfunding platforms. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to purchase and manage real estate projects, allowing you to invest with lower capital requirements. Passive income can also provide a steady stream of cash flow. Think rental income from a property managed by someone else. This consistency can be a great way to supplement your primary income or plan for retirement. Section 5. The catch potential drawbacks of passive income. While passive income sounds amazing, and it can be, it's crucial to be aware of the potential drawbacks. Passive income streams, especially in real estate, often require a significant initial investment and ongoing attention. One of the main ones is less control. When you hand over the reins to property managers or investment platforms, you lose a degree of control over how your investments are managed. When you invest in REITs or crowdfunding platforms, you're trusting others to manage the properties effectively. This can be a double-edged sword. While it frees up your time, it also means you are reliant on their expertise and integrity. Another potential downside is lower potential returns compared to active investing. Active investors often have the opportunity to make strategic decisions that can significantly boost their returns. Remember, higher risk often comes with higher reward. Active investing can be riskier, but offers the potential for greater financial gains. Passive income is generally less risky, but it may yield more modest profits. The trade-off for lower risk is often lower returns, which might not meet your financial goals as quickly. It's also important to do your due diligence. Even with passive investments, you need to be diligent about where and how your money is being used. Research REITs, crowdfunding platforms, and property managers thoroughly. Look into their past performance, fee structures, and the specific properties they manage. Look for transparency, experience, and a solid track record. These factors can significantly impact the success of your passive investments. Finally, understand that passive doesn't mean no work. You'll still need to stay informed about market trends, monitor your investments, and make adjustments as needed. Keeping an eye on market conditions can help you make timely decisions to protect and grow your investment. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and making necessary adjustments is key to maintaining a healthy passive income stream. This ongoing involvement ensures that your investments continue to align with your financial goals and market conditions. Section 6. Active versus passive real-world examples to inspire you. Let's bring these concepts to life with some examples. Imagine Sarah, a young professional with a knack for design and a passion for DIY. She buys a fixer-upper, renovates it beautifully, and sells it for a tidy profit. That's active income in action. Now, meet John, a busy doctor who wants to build long-term wealth but doesn't have time for hands-on investing. He invests in a REIT specializing in medical office buildings, enjoying steady dividends without lifting a hammer. That's the beauty of passive income. These examples show that both approaches can be successful. It all depends on your individual goals, skills, and resources. Section 7. Weighing the scales, pros and cons, head-to-head. To help you decide which path is right for you, let's compare the pros and cons of active and passive real estate income side by side. Potential for high returns, more control over investments, hands-on involvement and learning, requires significant capital and time commitment. Market fluctuations can impact profits, steep learning curve, less time-consuming. Potential for passive income streams can require lower initial investment, less control over investments, potentially lower returns compared to active investing, still requires research and due diligence. Section 8. Finding your fit. Which strategy matches your goals? When choosing between active and passive income, consider your financial situation. How much capital can you invest? Think about your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with potential fluctuations in the market? Also, your time commitment. How much time and effort are you willing to dedicate? And of course, your goals. Are you looking for quick profits or long-term wealth building? If you're starting with limited capital and prefer a more hands-off approach, passive income might be a good fit. As your capital grows and you gain experience, you can explore more active strategies. Section 9. Why not both? Combining active and passive approaches. Here's a little secret. You don't have to choose just one. Many successful investors combine active and passive strategies to create a diversified real estate portfolio. For example, you could start by investing in REITs for passive income. Then, as you gain knowledge and capital, you could purchase a rental property and manage it yourself for more active income. This blended approach allows you to enjoy the benefits of both worlds, passive income streams and the potential for higher returns through active involvement. Section 10. The bottom line. It's all about finding your path. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to active versus passive real estate income. The best approach depends on your individual circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance. The key is to educate yourself, weigh the pros and cons, and choose a strategy that aligns with your vision. Section 11. Start building your real estate empire today. No matter which path you choose, remember that real estate investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial dreams. Don't be afraid to start small, learn as you go, and adjust your strategies along the way. With careful planning, dedication, and a little bit of that fixer-upper spirit, you can create a real estate portfolio that works for you.